Hi, my name is Manveer, and welcome to the new Nuvvon lab located at 4th Century, Parsippany, New Jersey. This lab is designed to push the boundaries of solid-state battery innovation, powering a safer, more sustainable future. Here, our team is creating the next generation of batteries, delivering solutions that the industry has yet to achieve. So we have a glove box where we store the media. Once we remove the media from the glove box, we move to our 6-port system where we scale up the polymer electrolyte. From the liter level polymer electrolyte solution, we transfer it over to a glove box where we solution cast the polymer electrolyte onto the electrodes, lithium metal or nickel rich cathodes. Once the carrier solvent is evaporated and the cathodes and anodes are ready, we're ready to prepare pouch cells, which also occur in the same glove box as well. We're building the future of energy together. Come join us for the breakthroughs ahead.